everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make white egg macaroni. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see how to make it. Keep a kadai, add little oil. When the oil is hot, add 15 pieces of chopped garlic. Next, add small piece of ginger. Fry them until it becomes light brown in color. Next, add spring onions, half cup. 1 cup big onion, finely chopped. When the onions turns transparent, let's add 1 cup tomato puree. Stir it well. While you fry tomato puree, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon amchur powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder, required amount of salt, and mix all the ingredients together. Wait until oil gets separated. Now you can see that oil has come out very well. Let's add the cooked pasta. Mix the pasta well with the masala and fry the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's garnish it with coriander leaves. Add 2 boiled egg whites chopped and mix them with the pasta. Now our white egg macaroni is ready. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.